Welcome to my channel Vision by Al Belushi. Today I am going to teach you should. 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 It is a modal word and model of obligation. We call it model of obligation. When do we use should? We use it to give advice. When do we use it? To give advice. Okay. What is the meaning of advice in Arabic? What is it? Okay, understood. Suppose if you are sick, inti mariza, then now use this you, but then you should. If you are sick, what you should do? You should go to the doctor. Yes, to the doctor. If you are thirsty, يعني وش معنى عطشان. If you are thirsty, you should drink water. Yes. If you are hungry, what advice you will give to someone hungry? Jahan. If someone is hungry, then we will advise you should eat food. Okay. If someone is sad, then what advice you will give to her or him? Hazin. If someone is sad, what advice you will give? Hazin. You should recite Holy Quran. Wala, you should go for outing. Understood? Fahmti? What is the formula of writing? First of all, we write subject. Subject can be he, wala she, wala he, anything. Okay? First we write subject. After subject we use should and then verb. Okay?